Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out using my African Pride's hair products. So they came out with this new line and it's like the Moisture Miracle line, and just to show you, like, this is what it looks like. They have a few different things. When I went to the store, because I got mine at Dollar General, they didn't have everything that I wanted, like the oil and stuff, so I'm gonna have to go back and get everything. But the three items that I do have is this coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner, and I'm also using the leave-in cream. You know, the type of hair I have, my hair loves cream, so I got this as well. And last but not least, I got their moisture and define curling cream. So I'm just ready to get started. But let me say this, before I even dipped my fingers into this jar, the smell, it smells so good. It literally smells like a tropical paradise universe. I don't even know like how else to explain it. It smells so good. And I mean everything. This, the leave-in cream, the leave-in conditioner, like everything. I wish y'all could just smell this. Oh my God. So I washed my hair and all I did was put some of the leave-in conditioner spray in and a little bit of oil. So it's in 4 sections and I'm just going to be working in the 4 different sections. So first I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner and I'm just spraying that all over my hair as well as the ends. Definitely want to make sure I get my ends. Now I'm using the leave-in cream. This stuff, as I stated, smells so good, but I love that it's so smooth and creamy. And so I'm just making sure that I get that on every strand of hair. And I'm just separating my hair to start my twist. And now I'm going to be using their curling cream. And the curling cream has the same kind of smooth, creamy texture. And I just bring out my Denman brush and make sure I don't have any knots or anything in my hair, and I start twisting. And I just do that throughout my whole head. With this particular twist, I did use a little bit too much cream. So I just ran my fingers down the twist and that took off some of the product. So I decided to do the twists a little bit smaller than what I usually do. They're kind of like a small medium type of size, but more on the small side. Especially with using this new product, since I heard so many good things about it, I wanted to do smaller twists to see if my hair would be more defined. Before I even go on any further, let me just say, I love this product so much. Look how juicy and moisturized my twists look. So what I really love about this is that it has shea butter and flaxseed oil in it. And then you don't even need to use a lot. Usually when I get like curling creams, I use a lot. Like when they say a dime size amount, I use a quarter size. You really only have to use a dime size amount with this. So moisturized, and I'm not worried about all the rest that I left on here, like the rest of the curling cream, because that's gonna dry. It's gonna dry up all in there, so I love it. So I really didn't go into details about how I'm twisting the hair because I have a video specifically on that. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll go ahead and link it up above. All right, so I'm all done and I'm loving how moisturized my twists are. They're so moisturized, it's ridiculous. Another thing that I do love is that the product is not heavy, so it's not weighing my hair down, which is a big plus. So I'm just putting some little clamps, clips, I don't know what you want to call them. This is what I used to twist my boyfriend's hair, but I'm just putting this on just to make sure that they stay flat, and these are the results from the next day. So my twists did shrink up a little bit, but I'm not even worried about that because they always do, especially when I do my hair on wet hair. But I'm just taking some oil and putting it all over my twists before I take them out, and then I just start to unravel. So as far as the takedown process, I'm just unraveling them. Usually when I unravel them, I will just go ahead and separate it, but I'm not going to do that right now because I want to see what it looks like first and if they really do need to be separated some more. So I'm just untwisting every single one first. So now that I'm done with the takedown process, I'm just going to go ahead and start separating very carefully. So I'm just separating them where they automatically start to separate. Y'all know what I mean if you've taken out your twist before and you stretch it out, and you will automatically see where it wants to separate on its own. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to overdo it or anything. If they don't need to be separated, then I'm not touching it. But if they can be separated, then I'm going to go ahead and do that. Y'all, when I say the shrinkage is so real, like I love it. I mean, I love the definition and I'm going to embrace it, but I'm just saying, shrinkage is so real. So I just take my handy dandy pick and I just fluff my hair out for the gods, and this is the result. Y'all, I don't think the back of my hair has ever been this defined with a twist out. It has so much movement and is so light and airy. Y'all, this is the best twist out I have ever had. Like, my hair is so defined. I used to hate twist outs. That's why I never really did them. But honey, the definition that I have, like, I only use the curling cream, the leave-in cream, and the leave-in conditioner, and that is it. My hair has so much volume, it's so soft. The definition is crazy. Like, I can't get over how defined my curls are. Like, you can literally see every little curl at the ends. Like, yeah. Yeah. I am literally in love. I love these products so much. I just can't believe that it actually defined my hair like this and moisturized my hair like this. it's so hard trying to get your curls defined. Like, you gotta buy so many products, you gotta try so many products, you gotta combine products, but this one product line is absolutely amazing. Like, wow, I can't wait to style my hair again because I'm definitely using these products. These are going to be my go-to products. And I'm going to get the rest of the line because it treated me so good. Like, ugh. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried these products before. If you haven't tried these products before, go ahead and get you some because I'm still in awe. I'm still in awe about this. Like, oh my goodness. But if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all on the next video.